Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a strawberry banana smoothie. So first things first, I'm going to tell you guys the ingredients. You need milk, I believe 1 cup. 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of oats, 2 cups of strawberries, 1 banana, and 1 scoop of protein powder. Whatever flavor you like. Alright, I just finished mixing all the ingredients together and blending it. You're going to blend your smoothie on medium for about 20 seconds. You also know how it's done. I felt it and I felt if there's any big chunks coming. Also, you have to look and see if it's smooth. So let's try this. Let's go. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.